How to send high-quality photos on WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from here. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon. Then, tap on Photos. Here, tap on Manage and then tap on Select More Photos. Scroll down to find and select the photos you want to add and tap on Done above. Now, select the photo you want to send again. After selecting, tap on the HD icon as shown. Then, tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner. You have now shared this photo in HD quality. Following these steps, you can easily send high-quality photos on WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.